to aim profit pursuit, the place where your journey towards financial freedom begins. In this video, I will discuss or analyze Tech Mahindra. But before going to analyze or fundamental discuss about Tech Mahindra, I just want to show you or tell you something about Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra was established in 1986 with the merger of Mahindra and Mahindra British Company with the ratio of 60:40, but in 2006 it named as Tech Mahindra. Through IPO in 2006 became a public company. But Tech Mahindra acquired many companies or like for example, this is Mahindra Satyam. Actually, Satyam Computer Limited was a reputed company, but in 2008 it has a money scandal or something else. Therefore, Mahindra was acquired it. Therefore, it got the name Mahindra Satyam. But in 2024, it is completely merged with Tech Mahindra. Next, this is the Light Bright Communication Corporation. It is also merged with Tech Mahindra in 2014. And this is Bond Group, also merged in 2019 with Tech Mahindra. And this is the ShopGen. This is a Swiss IT company merged in 2015 with this. After merging all of this company, at that time in the year of 2019, Tech Mahindra became the fifth India's IT company, or in ranked it is the fifth. Now we are going to discuss the total revenue of quarterly total revenue. What is the quarterly total revenue of Tech Mahindra? Obviously, this is the chart. Here you can see the total revenue. Obviously it has increased, but you can see here last 3 to 5 quarter was it remains same or slightly decreasing, but in the quarter of September it has increased. Right, now this is the chart of profit before tax. Obviously you can see from 2021 to June quarter 2024 it has decreased, but at the in the month of September, in the quarter of September, it has only shows it increasing. Right, so this is the profit before tax, and after paying tax this is net profit. Obviously it is also same decreasing, but at that last quarter it has increased. Okay, profit after tax. Now quarterly complete, we will see total revenue, actually yearly revenue. In here we will I will show you the 10 year data. Here you can see this data has increased, but in 2023 and 2024 it is not increasing, it has decreased. Right, annual revenue has decreased. Here this is the total revenue. Obviously total revenue has increased, but this 2 years it is not increased. In March 2024 it is not increasing, it has decreased. But the total revenue or total expenses actually increased. So you can see here the revenue and expenses, revenue does not increased, but expenses has increased. So you will see it will affect into the profit. So EBITDA data also has decreased. Now I will show you next chart. Here you can see EBITDA data. Right, EBITDA data has continuously increased, but from 2023 to 2024 it has decreased, and almost you can look back into 2025 2015 and 2014 it is almost same in 2024. Chart title here, profit before tax. This is profit before tax. So obviously this is 2024 and this is 2015. It is the lowest of last 10 years. This is the profit after tax I have already showed you, and you can see this is the in September 24. It was promoter stake also decreased. Here it has obviously decreased. If a promoter of this company does not shows the interest of their company, then who will going to invest on their company, right? Here this is the public data also has decreased, right? You can clearly see public data has decreased, and obviously foreign investor also has decreased, but last quarter it has increased. Only the last quarter, from if you are going to compare the last quarter, last quarter, then it has slightly increased. This, but domestic investor has shown their interest to invest in this company, right? And it has increased. This is the promoter has decreased, and FI investor increased, showing this investor increased. Mutual fund have increased their holding. Number of mutual fund schemes decreased. Institutional investors have increased. Annual revenue shows it negativity, quarterly revenue shows positivity, but annual net profit negative, but quarterly net profit positive. Shareholding pattern or fund negative. Total asset shows it's negative. Book value per share to 237. Book value per share 237, or which is growth minus 6.9% year on year. Return on equity 6.0% year on year. Cash from operating activity 22% year on year. Net cash flow has increased, growth 253. This is a good sign of this company actually. Here negative annual revenue. In the last I will show you, I will summarize negative annual revenue, positive quarterly revenue. Negative annual net profit is revenue, quarterly net profit is positive. Stock price rose 46.33%, which is underperformed its stock by 0.71 in past 3 years. That's a negative. Negative P ratio is negative actually. The in the sector P is 35, but this sector PE or this stock P is 50.26. Really it is a negative. And debt to equity, obviously this is positive, and return on equity negative. Mutual fund holding positive, promoter share holding negative, interest coverage ratio positive, positive promoter plays are 0. So at the last, in the last or in conclusion, I will say you, if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AM Profit Pursuit for more in-depth stock analysis and investment. Let me know your thoughts in comments. Do you think this stock is worth for investing in? I will see you in the next video, where we uncover more opportunities to grow your wealth. Thanks for watching.